everyone, so today I'm going to be reviewing the new Paleo Bites from Amrita, and thank you so much to them for sending these to me to review. I love Amrita as a company, and their products are just so amazing to begin with that I was just so excited to be able to try these new bites. So let's get started. There are 5 different flavors, and their nutrition profiles are all very similar, about 60 calories each, 5 grams of fat or so, about 4 to 6 grams of carbs depending on the flavor, and about 2 grams of protein per bite. So I would probably pair these with maybe a yogurt or something if I'm at home or in the office, and maybe if I'm on the go I would just take a couple of them with me, a handful, and maybe some jerky or something like that to make it a more well-rounded meal. But they have amazing flavors, very diverse for all kinds of tastes and palates, and they are also just super allergy friendly, super friendly to any kind of diet or style of eating or anything like that. So I'm going to show you one of the bites. So they're about the size of a silver dollar, and they're very squishy. They have that Amrita bar texture, and they just taste amazing, like a soft baked cookie almost. So the chocolate coconut one tastes like an Almond Joy, just not processed like a candy bar, and that one's very good. All of these are super good. I'm just gonna put that out there. There's not one in here that I did not enjoy. There are some that I enjoyed more than others, like the apple cinnamon. I just love apple and cinnamon flavors to begin with, but that one was just phenomenal. I really enjoyed that one. The mango coconut one is very similar, if not the same, as the full-size bar, and that one's super good as well. The mango in there just is so delightful. It's so chewy and just very present, and the coconut's not super overpowering. The chocolate mint one, it tastes like a York peppermint patty to me. It has that scent and that freshness that you get when you bite into the York peppermint patty. So that one's super delicious. And then the dark chocolate espresso is a great balance between the dark chocolate and the coffee flavors. And so those flavors just pair well together to begin with. And so it just made a very, very good bite. So I hope that you all try these. I hope that you enjoy them as much as I enjoy them. And I hope that you all fall in love with this company like I have as well. So look them up. I'm not sure when they're coming into stores, but they are the Paleo Bites, and there are 5 different flavors that I just went over. I hope that you all love them. Give them a shot, and thank you so much for watching.